In the vastness of space, there are countless objects, planets, stars, asteroids that we can observe and study. But every once in a while, something truly unique comes along, something that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. This is the story of 3I Atlas, a cosmic visitor that has entered our solar system, and with it, a series of mysteries that scientists and theorists alike are struggling to understand. But the real question is, does 3I Atlas carry with it a message that we simply can't ignore? The journey of 3I Atlas, from interstellar space to our solar system, 3I Atlas is not just another asteroid or comet passing through our solar system. Its origin is far more mysterious. It comes from interstellar space, the vast, empty region between the stars that is largely unexplored by humanity. We've never encountered an object like this before, one that has traveled across the universe for millions of years before entering our solar system. This means that 3I Atlas has traveled through the very fabric of space, untouched by the forces we typically associate with our solar system, such as the sun's gravitational pull or the interplanetary dust that litters the void. The idea that something has come from such an immense distance raises questions about its composition, trajectory, and purpose. Unlike typical asteroids or comets, which follow well-understood paths and predictable orbits, 3I Atlas entered our solar system in an unexpected way. It was detected relatively recently, and scientists were initially unsure of its origins. It's not a typical object that we would expect to find passing through our cosmic neighborhood. Its unusual orbit has sparked interest and curiosity among astronomers. Some believe it could be a fragment from a distant star system, while others propose that it might be a sign of something even more profound, possibly a piece of technology or evidence of a much larger, unknown object. 3I Atlas's journey through interstellar space may have been a solitary one, but as it entered the influence of our sun's gravity, it began to exhibit behaviors that set it apart from anything we have seen before. Astronomers have closely observed its trajectory and discovered that it seems to be interacting with our solar system in ways that defy conventional physics. This has led to a growing theory that 3I Atlas is not just a wandering space rock, but a more complex object with potential significance. What is 3I Atlas made of? Unlocking the composition. As 3I Atlas approached the solar system, one of the first questions scientists asked was, what exactly is it made of? Early observations suggested that its composition was unlike typical asteroids. Most objects we encounter within our solar system are composed of a mix of rock, metal, and ice, with some variation depending on their size, proximity to the sun, and location within the solar system. But 3I Atlas doesn't seem to fit into this typical mold. Through detailed observations, scientists have gathered data that suggests 3I Atlas is composed of a mixture of metals and rocks, possibly with traces of elements we have not yet fully identified. The object's surface appears smooth, and unlike comets, it doesn't exhibit the usual outgassing or comet-like tail when it approaches the sun. This leads many scientists to theorize that it could be something more than just a natural object. It could be a product of alien engineering or the remnant of a long-dead stellar system. The absence of gas or dust emissions challenges our understanding of how interstellar objects behave as they enter the solar system. If 3I Atlas is a remnant of an ancient star system, it could hold valuable information about the conditions and processes that existed long before our solar system was born. In fact, some researchers suggest that the object might be a relic, frozen in time, from a period when our galaxy was in a very different state. By studying its composition and structure, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the early days of the galaxy, and perhaps even the formation of life itself. While its surface is smooth and devoid of the usual characteristics we expect from comets or asteroids, the interior of 3I Atlas could hold further clues. Some scientists speculate that the object could be made up of highly durable, ancient materials that have remained largely unchanged throughout its long journey across the cosmos. Could 3I Atlas be an object that has remained intact for billions of years, preserving the chemical makeup of its origin? Strange behavior and unexplained signals. As 3I Atlas moved closer to our solar system, scientists began noticing something even more puzzling: its strange behavior. Unlike other objects in the solar system, which follow predictable orbits and exhibit stable properties, 3I Atlas seemed to be acting in ways that challenged our understanding of physics. It's as if it were being guided by forces beyond the sun's influence, forces that we cannot yet explain. One of the most intriguing aspects of 3I Atlas's journey is the strange signals it has been transmitting. As it passed through the solar system, researchers have reported detecting unusual electromagnetic signals that don't seem to originate from any known natural source. These signals are unlike anything we've encountered before, and their origins remain a mystery. Could they be signs of extraterrestrial technology or a message from an advanced civilization? Some scientists believe that these signals could be a form of communication, a deliberate attempt to reach us from an unknown source. If these signals are indeed artificial in nature, they could represent the first real evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth. The fact that 3I Atlas has traveled across the cosmos for millions of years, only to finally arrive at our solar system and send out signals, is a tantalizing thought. Could it be a probe from an alien civilization or an ancient artifact of a long-extinct species? These are questions that scientists are desperately trying to answer, but the possibilities are still unclear. Some have even speculated that 3I Atlas is not just a passive object, but an active messenger from a distant civilization. The idea that it could be carrying encoded messages or data about an advanced alien society raises the stakes for this cosmic visitor. If it is truly a signal from an extraterrestrial intelligence, it would represent one of the most significant discoveries in human history. The potential message from 3I Atlas. What could it be? As 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, the mysterious signals it emits are leading scientists to one of the most mind-bending questions of our time. What if these signals are a form of communication? Could 3I Atlas be more than just an object passing through our cosmic neighborhood? The idea that it could be a message from an alien civilization is one that scientists cannot ignore. While it's still unclear whether these signals are truly artificial in nature or the result of a natural phenomenon, the very fact that they exist suggests that there is more going on with 3I Atlas than we initially thought. If we take the possibility of alien communication seriously, it opens up a vast array of possibilities about the nature of interstellar contact and the future of human exploration in the cosmos. Some scientists believe that 3I Atlas could be an ancient probe sent out from a distant civilization, a sort of deep space messenger traveling across galaxies. These probes could have been deployed millennia ago as part of an effort by extraterrestrial beings to learn more about the universe, or perhaps to seek out other life forms. If 3I Atlas is indeed an interstellar probe, it may hold vast amounts of information about alien civilizations, technology, or even a lost history of the cosmos. Could it be a relic of a time when spacefaring species were far more advanced than we are now? It's also possible that the signals emitted by 3I Atlas are not directed at us at all. Some researchers suggest that the object could be transmitting data back to its creators or to other probes scattered across the universe. In this scenario, 3I Atlas would be part of a larger network, a cosmic relay system designed to gather and transmit information across vast distances. If this is the case, the implications for the future of interstellar communication are profound. However, the possibility of 3I Atlas being an active messenger from an alien civilization presents both opportunities and challenges. If the signals are indeed a form of alien communication, how do we interpret them? Could we ever decode the message in a way that makes sense to us? These questions are not only scientific but philosophical, as they push us to reconsider our place in the universe and the nature of intelligent life. The significance of 3I Atlas's trajectory, a clue to its origins. Another aspect of 3I Atlas's mystery lies in its unusual trajectory. When it first entered our solar system, scientists were baffled by its speed and the path it was following. Unlike typical asteroids or comets, which follow predictable orbits influenced by the sun's gravitational pull, 3I Atlas appeared to be on an interstellar trajectory, moving in a way that didn't quite match what we expected. As it passed through our solar system, 3I Atlas's path seemed to bend slightly, influenced by the gravitational forces of our sun and possibly by other objects in our solar system. But this wasn't the only strange thing about its journey. As it moved through the solar system, 3I Atlas accelerated in a way that defied simple explanations. This anomaly led some scientists to suggest that 3I Atlas might not be a natural object at all, but a carefully directed spacecraft. If this object has been traveling through space for millions of years, could it have been deliberately sent in our direction? Could it be a probe or even a beacon, marking the beginning of humanity's first contact with an advanced civilization? The path that 3I Atlas has followed hints at something extraordinary. It may not be just another cosmic wanderer passing through the solar system. Its unusual trajectory, its strange signals, and its composition suggest that 3I Atlas could be part of a larger mystery. A mystery that could lead us to answers about the existence of alien life and the possibility of interstellar communication. The technology behind 3I Atlas. Is it a relic from another civilization? One of the most intriguing aspects of 3I Atlas is its possible connection to advanced extraterrestrial technology. As previously mentioned, its smooth surface, lack of outgassing, and unusual trajectory have led some scientists to suggest that it could be an artificial object, possibly even a probe from an alien civilization. While this idea might sound far-fetched, the possibility that 3I Atlas is a relic from a technologically advanced species is gaining traction. If 3I Atlas is indeed an alien probe, it could provide us with invaluable insights into the capabilities of extraterrestrial civilizations. What kind of technology would it take to send an object across the vast distances of interstellar space? What could we learn from the materials and design of such a probe? If 3I Atlas is a technological artifact, it could be a glimpse into a future we can't yet imagine. A future where space travel is commonplace and interstellar communication is a reality. Some scientists speculate that 3I Atlas could be a piece of technology that's far older than anything we can comprehend. Perhaps it was sent out millennia ago, long before our species even existed, as part of an effort to explore the cosmos. In this sense, 3I Atlas could be a cosmic time capsule, an object carrying the wisdom, knowledge, and technology of a civilization that lived long before we came to be. But the implications of this are profound. If 3I Atlas is an alien probe, What else might be out there, waiting to be discovered? Are we just beginning to uncover the first traces of a vast cosmic network of communication and exploration? The discovery of 3I Atlas could open the door to a new era of interstellar exploration, where humanity plays a part in a much larger cosmic story. Uncovering the mystery of 3I Atlas, the alien artifact hypothesis. As we dig deeper into the mystery of 3I Atlas, the idea that this object could be an alien artifact is becoming more plausible. What if 3I Atlas is not just a random space object, but a deliberate probe sent from a distant star system? The possibility of it being an ancient artifact from an advanced civilization raises questions about how much technology we're truly capable of understanding. Could it be that we've stumbled upon the first piece of extraterrestrial technology? For centuries, humanity has dreamed of contacting extraterrestrial intelligence. But we never imagined that our first encounter might not be with a living being, but with a piece of technology. If 3I Atlas is indeed a product of an alien civilization, it's possible that it's part of a greater cosmic network of probes, each sent out to explore the universe and transmit information back to its creators. This would mean that 3I Atlas is part of an ongoing cosmic communication system, a series of interconnected relics scattered across the galaxy, waiting to be discovered by species like ours. If this hypothesis is true, 3I Atlas could be far more than just an object passing through our solar system. It could be a message. But what exactly is this message? The signals we've detected from 3I Atlas are peculiar, hinting at something that might not only be technological but also intentional. Could the strange electromagnetic pulses it emits be a form of communication? Or are these signals simply a side effect of its complex design? A cosmic beacon inadvertently left on by a species trying to communicate across vast distances? Alien probes? Are they already here? The idea of alien probes isn't as outlandish as it may seem. Over the years, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has primarily focused on detecting radio signals and other communications from alien civilizations. However, another possibility exists. Extraterrestrial civilizations may have already sent probes to explore the galaxy, and some of these probes may be scattered throughout the universe, waiting for the right conditions to be discovered. The concept of alien probes fits with the idea that 3I Atlas could be a messenger from another civilization. Given the vast distances between stars and the challenges of interstellar communication, sending probes like 3I Atlas across the cosmos might be the most efficient way for an advanced civilization to explore the universe and send messages back to their home world. Instead of relying on radio signals or other communication methods, alien civilizations might have sent physical probes to carry information about the cosmos, eventually reaching distant star systems, including ours. What if 3I Atlas is only one of many such probes scattered across the galaxy? What if there are others out there, waiting to be discovered? The discovery of 3I Atlas could be the first step in unveiling a network of alien explorers who have traveled far beyond our reach, gathering data and perhaps waiting for humanity to uncover their secrets. But the implications of such a discovery go far beyond just one object. If 3I Atlas is a probe, we must ask, how many more are there out there? Could we be on the verge of discovering a vast network of interstellar probes, each with a different mission, transmitting data to civilizations that are far more advanced than ours? The possibility of contact. What does it mean for humanity? If 3I Atlas is indeed an alien probe, then we must face the reality of contact, not with a living alien species, but with a remnant of a civilization that may have existed long before we did. The discovery of such a probe would be one of the most profound moments in human history, as it would mark the first tangible evidence that we are not alone in the universe. The implications for science, philosophy, and even religion would be immense. What would it mean for humanity if we were to confirm that alien civilizations had already visited our solar system? It could radically alter our understanding of life, the universe, and our place within it. The search for meaning, for our role in the grand cosmic story, would take on new urgency. What are we, humans, meant to do in a universe where advanced civilizations have already explored the stars? However, contact with extraterrestrial artifacts also raises important ethical questions. If 3I Atlas is a probe sent by an alien civilization, what does that mean for the future of humanity's relationship with other intelligent life forms? Are we ready to understand their technology and communication methods, or will it overwhelm us? The discovery of such artifacts might force us to confront not only our technological limits, but also our moral and philosophical boundaries. How will we respond to the knowledge that we are part of a much larger cosmic community? The role of 3I Atlas in the future of space exploration. As 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, it offers scientists a unique opportunity to study an object that is unlike anything we've encountered before. Whether it's a natural object, a probe, or something else entirely, 3I Atlas represents a turning point in the search for extraterrestrial life and our understanding of deep space. In the years to come, the study of 3I Atlas and other objects like it will likely play a pivotal role in the next phase of space exploration. The data collected from this cosmic visitor could help scientists learn more about the conditions in interstellar space, the materials that make up such objects, and the forces that shape the behavior of interstellar objects as they travel across the universe. But 3I Atlas also has the potential to change the course of human history. If the theories about its origins prove true, and it is indeed an alien probe, then it could represent a new era of contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. The discovery of such a probe would not only open up new avenues of scientific discovery, but could also pave the way for first contact, a monumental event that would redefine the way we view our place in the cosmos. The road ahead. What will 3I Atlas reveal? As 3I Atlas continues its journey through the solar system, scientists are eager to learn what secrets it may hold. Will we uncover more evidence that it is an alien artifact? Will its strange signals lead us to contact with a distant civilization? Or will it remain a cosmic mystery, a puzzle that we can't quite solve? What we do know is that 3I Atlas represents a new frontier in space exploration. Its journey is not just a chance for scientific discovery. It's a sign that we are on the cusp of something much bigger. Whether it's proof of alien life or just a glimpse into the far reaches of the universe, 3I Atlas has already left an indelible mark on our understanding of the cosmos. The truth about 3I Atlas may be closer than we think, and the answers it provides could change the course of human history forever.